Good morning, children. Welcome to NCG Max Olympiad. The question is given now. Find the value of root of 1 plus 2 plus root of 1 plus 3 plus root of 1 plus 4 plus root of 1 plus 5 dash dash up to infinity. So this question is given Chile National Olympiad 1989. So this is a famous problem by Ramanujan, Indian mathematician. The problem is given by Indian mathematician. This is an old problem, but it is asked in Olympiad, 1989 Olympiad. So how to solve this problem? Like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very very important. So you are going to start the problem. If you are having any easy methods, you can give the suggestions. So here you are going to start the problem. So here what we are doing, let us take 1 plus x. 1 plus x can be written as root of 1 plus x whole square without changing the equality. 1 plus x can be written as root of 1 plus x whole square. So this root of 1 plus x whole square, here I am writing 1 plus x whole square can be written as, in the expanded form, 1 plus x square plus 2x. So this can be written as 1 plus x common. You can write it as x plus 1 plus 1 now. So here you will get x square plus 2x. So that only I am writing here. In the place of 1 plus x square, I am writing 1 plus x bracket of x plus 1 plus 1. So here the value won't change. So you can write it as square root of 1 plus x square root of 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. So again we are taking the square here. So this also can be written as a square root of 1 plus x square root of 1 plus 1 plus x 1 plus 1 plus x bracket 1 plus x plus 2. 1 plus x plus x 1 plus x plus 2 will get. So again you can write the square root for this. Square root of 1 plus x square root of 1 plus 1 plus x square root of 1 plus x plus 2 whole square. Like this you can write so on. So I am going to write another step also. What you will get here, square root of 1 plus x square root of 1 plus 1 plus x, again square root of 1 plus x plus 2, 1 plus x plus 2, okay, 1 plus x plus 2 bracket 1 plus x plus 3. So it will continue up to infinity. So this is 1 plus x value. So like this will continue up to infinity. So in this put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to root of 1 plus 2 root of 1 plus 1 plus 2 root of 1 plus 2 plus 2, okay, root of 1 plus 2 plus 3 root of, like this up to will get infinity. So here 3 is equal to root of 1 plus 2 root of 1 plus 3 root of 1 plus 4 root of 1 plus 5 up to infinity. So the given value for this problem is 3. So this is the problem given by Ramanujan in late 50s. So this is an important concept. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max.